So it's Carnival season again, and as usual, our customers all want to know different things regarding Carnival because they want to be able to fit into their costume. Oh, hi, welcome back to Fit and Bless TV. My name is Blessing, and I'm the creative director for Fit and Bless. And today we'll be talking about our Carnival series season. Actually, this is season 2. Before we even start, let me put on my Love is in the Air gloss. Now, of course, you don't want to go to Carnival looking all dry, right? So you need to moisturize. Make sure you grab a Fit Lips lip gloss that season. All right? Yes. So today's session is going to be tips on how to lose weight for Carnival or for summer. Let me start with myself. So you guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I have lost significant weight. This dress used to be tight on me. Now I can even, I can pull. The space is no more as tight as it used to be. And my belly used to be bigger than this. Now I have a flat tummy. And of course, my booty is still there, as you can see. But that's not even the point. The butt is not the point. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to lose weight for Carnival using Fit and Bless products as well as tips that I used personally, right? Now, number one, you have to plan your time properly. This is May. You have June, literally, only in order to get the Carnival body that you want. That means you have less than a month to get this body popping. What do? You make your plan. So number one, what I did, I used 1 month. I cut out all soda. I wasn't drinking any soda, not even malt was I drinking. No malt, no soda, nothing. Nothing. Throughout that month that I was trying to get my tummy flatter and lose some weight. Now, number two, cut out the bread. I know bread is addictive. Like, it looks like there's nothing else you can eat other than bread, but cut out the bread. And if you must do bread, do wheat bread. Now, I'm not just saying wheat bread. I'm saying wheat bread. Make sure you have some sort of protein to go with it. And make sure that you are within your serving size for bread. Your bread size is supposed to be 2 slices. Anything more than 2 slices, cut it out. Okay? Now, make sure you eat your bread with vegetables. It is very, very important. Vegetables is going to be the rock of this journey. So, for everything that you can mix with vegetables, mix vegetables. It doesn't even have to be anything expensive. It could be just slices of cucumber. Add it to your bread. Nourish your food. Yes. Then, number 3, intermittent fasting. I used to start eating for the day from 12 o'clock. What does that mean? So by the time I used to start eating for the day from 12 o'clock. So that means I'll eat at 12, my lunch. Somewhere around maybe 3, I'll try a healthy snack, if possible, or 4 o'clock, because I finish work at 4. Somewhere around 4, I'll try a healthy snack. I wasn't eating any snacks like, the chips and all of that. I cut all of it out. Now, if I must eat snacks, where I don't have any snacks on me right now, but if I must eat snacks, I make sure that I eat 1 snack a day. I try to keep my calories within 1,000 calories a day. So I know that my food already contributes to a huge amount of my calories. I'm going to be eating 2 times a day, so lunch and dinner, right? Sometimes I don't eat dinner, which is fine. But lunch and dinner, I knew I was going to have to do that. There was no breakfast at all. So my snacks had to be less than 200 calories. So when I read the package on the snacks, I make sure it's less than 200 calories. I make sure that it has no sugar, no added sugar, all of that. So basically giving you all the tips that you need. Then, of course, I decided to call in the big guns. I was doing all of this, but I decided to call in the big guns. What are the big guns? Fit and Bless products. My slimming tea was not far from me. My breastfeeding mom's flat tummy tea was not far from me either. My flat tummy tea, My flat tummy tea was not far from me either. Then, of course, before you start, I would advise that you do the detox. So make sure you get a detox, at least 3 days detox before you start. And then also add the black seed oil to your regimen. Make sure you have the black seed oil as part of your regimen as well. So the black seed oil helps you with weight loss. It helps to build your immune system. It cannot pay you for you to fall sick this period, right? Good. Then I had my coffee bean. So my coffee bean supplement and my coffee bean powder. These two suppressed my appetite. Therefore, I wasn't even feeling hungry until that 12 o'clock. And even by that 12 o'clock, I was just eating because I had to eat before time caught up with me. If I wait and I'm very, very hungry, then I might end up eating junks and all of that. So it's very important for you to make sure that your food is prepared ahead of time so that you practice mindful eating. Your food has to be ready before you are actually ready to eat. If not, if you are hungry, you find yourself eating whatever you can lay your hands on and exceeding the calories that we have planned to reach. Then, of course, my fat burning oil. This one was a staple. Like every morning and night, judiciously use your fat burning oil. And my conjugated linoleic acid. After dinner, I drink one. So this will help to boost my metabolism and also helps to reduce the fat. Now, what about exercise? Do you need to exercise? Yes. You want to pull in everything within your power, all the resources that you can to get the body that you want. That includes exercise. Now, I'm not saying that you should go to the gym and start lifting 200 kg weight. No. I'm saying that you can take short walks in the evenings. So brisk walk, just take a walk. Even if it's a leisurely walk, just take a walk. Like walk for 30 minutes, walk for an hour, come back, stuff like that. And then if you can do little exercise, high knees, that helps so much. And then you can do your little crunches. Let me see. I was supposed to wear my workout gear to show you guys some of the common workouts that we will do. But perhaps I will film that in another video. But if you want that, you have to let me know in the comments so that I can film it in another video. But common workouts, so you do your, even standing workouts, you are good to go. Simple things that you can do. Your, what do you call these again? Anyway, your mountain climbers, all of those things, like simple things, just incorporate them into your regimen every day. You will definitely see a difference. If you try all of these things, every single thing I said from beginning till the end, and you don't see any difference, come and hold me. Make sure that you have proof before you come more. Make sure you have proof. So, do you have to use all Fit and Bless products? The answer is no. But you must use at least 2 or 3 maximum so that you can get good results. And make sure that you are consistent. Your consistency is very, 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 very important in this journey. You need to be consistent. So make sure that you are consistent. So let's do a recap. Number 1, you're watching your calories. Number 2, mindful eating. I forgot to mention portion control is very important. So you are eating in smaller portions than what you used to eat. If you used to eat a whole bowl of food, you start eating smaller. That would help as well. So let's do a recap. Number 1, portion control. Number 2, mindful eating. Make sure that your food is prepared before you're actually ready to eat it. Number 3, count your calories judiciously. Even your snacks, your fruits, everything has to be included. Number 4, you want to be in a calorie deficit. If your required calorie is 1,500, you want to be eating 1,000 daily. Number 5, take walks. Number 6, non-vigorous exercises are advised. And number 7, use your Fit and Bless products judiciously. Now, if you try all of these things, and we also forgot the intermittent fasting, make sure you do every single one of these. You are good to go. I promise you that this carnival, nobody's going to be hotter than you. Like, you're going to be the hottest among the hottest. So on that note, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and please subscribe so that we can continue with this series. Let me know what you would like to see next in another series. Bye.